One of the chapters in my book, Be Free to Be Who You Are, in my book entitled Freedom to Create Wealth, it's about actually the success that we're looking for. Na-realize ko, nung bata ako, I kept on comparing myself to others. It's a stressful kind of life. It's because I was not convinced that God actually designed me for success. I was not convinced. And therefore, I was looking for success outside of myself. And therefore, palagi kong hinahanap sa mga formula for success, steps to success, no? Kasi gusto kong maging successful, no? Gusto kong maging significant sa mundong ito. Pero, ang una pala is i-acknowledge natin na God designed us for that already. We're created in the image and likeness of God. Pansinin natin yung halimbawa, mangga, yung buto niya, no? Pag tinanim mo siya, at ni-nurture siya, at nabuhay siya sa taba ng lupa, lalaki siya at magbubunga siya ng mangga. Hindi man sana sa bunga niya. So in other words, God designed us for significance in this world, no? At kung we stay connected with Him at patuloy na lalakad tayo kasama niya, at patuloy tayong mag-aaral, no? Alamin natin sa kanyang salita yung principles niya. Hindi nangangulugan na hindi na tayo mag-aaral sa mundong ito, no? Kundi isisik natin, no? Yung paglago natin sa kanyang kaharian, ano? Makitagpuan natin ang success is a byproduct. It's not something that we work for. It's something that God bring us to. It's not something that we manufacture. It is something that is already there. We just have to bring it out by changing the way we think. If we align our minds to the mind of God and we learn how He thinks and we think the way He thinks, no, makakarating tayo doon.